Hello, today in this video we will learn top 6 useful Windows shortcut keys. 1. Minimize all applications. If you want to minimize all applications together and switch to desktop, press Windows plus D key to minimize all applications. 2. Emoji tab. If you want to use emojis, stickers and GIF on Windows, press Windows plus dot key to open Emojis tab. In this tab you can use emojis, stickers and GIFs. Three. Split screen. If you want to use split screen, press Windows plus left arrow key. Navigate tabs using Windows plus arrow keys. Four. Virtual multiple desktops. If you want to use virtual multiple desktop in the same window, press Windows plus tab key. Five. Switching tabs. If you want to switch tabs in any web browser or folders, press Ctrl plus tab key to switch tabs. Press Ctrl plus 1, 2, 3, 4 at C to switch on specific tab. Press Ctrl plus W to close tabs. Six. Recover accidentally closed browser tabs. Accidentally closed all tabs of browse tabs. We will recover it. Open new browser tab. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus T to recover browser tabs. Now, you will find all recovered browser tabs.